It's sticky and sweet. We use it in cooking and stir it in our tea. Let's discover what all the buzz is about as we explore honey. Honey making is a collaborative effort between nature and human beings, and it's been taking place since ancient times. It involves bee colonies, native plants, agricultural crops, and beekeepers. 1/3 of all food is dependent on bee pollination. There are between 60,000 and 90,000 bees that live in a hive, and they each have specific jobs. There is only one queen per hive, and she is in charge. During the summer, she can lay as many as 3,000 eggs per day. Each hive has around 200 drones, and their only job is to mate with the queen. The rest are female worker bees in charge of gathering nectar, making honey, and taking care of the other bees in the hive. Honeybees need to tap about 2 million flowers to make 1 pound of honey.
My favorite in the Southwest is acacia honey, but it's very difficult to get. And around New Mexico here, generally you can only get it in small amounts, and it has to be from a real specialty beekeeper that puts their hives where the acacias are, and that's whitethorn acacia. But the more prevalent one around here would be mesquite, and mesquite is the next finest. It has just this incredible flavor to it. And there also, we have like a valley blend here in the Mesilla Valley, and you get wonderful flavors from like the alfalfa that's grown here, and sometimes with the cotton and other wildflowers mixed in there.
In seed production, bees are very important. Unless a crop is wind pollinated, it must be pollinated by insects, and bees typically do the job. The same is true for fruit crops, where flowers must also be pollinated to produce the fruit. Aside from its use as a natural sweetener in food, honey and the wax created by honeybees can be used to make candles, lotions, balms, sealants, and cosmetics.